Today we're going to be talking about how to dry your own fresh basil. Welcome to my new videos on gardening and canning. Come along with me on my gardening journey. Gardeners know that planting marigolds along with basil will help keep the bugs off of your garden plants. But what are you going to do with all that basil you planted? Well, let's put it to some good use that we could use throughout the year. So this is the basil that I picked earlier today. It's just been sitting in my little basket until I got around to taking all the leaves off. So really all you want to do is just pinch leaves off. You don't want to get the stem though. Just want to get the leaf. I like to put it out on some paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it, and then I'm going to bake it. So after my basil has been washed, I set my stove or the oven for the least amount of temperature, which for mine is 170. Let that get nice and warm. I do like to go ahead and put parchment paper down, and I just spread the basil leaves out. Now some videos will say to, put them face down. I find they dry just the same no matter how you put them in there. I just really try not to have them overlapping too much. And then we go ahead and put them in the oven for about 45 minutes. Those are going to bake in there. And we'll be back. Okay, timer went off. We're going to grab our basil out. Ooh, look at that. It's looking great. Ooh, yeah. So you can see that they've dried really nice. They're of a crunchy consistency, looking great. So undried, dried. And then what I do is I will either crunch them up by hand. I can crunch them by hand and put them into containers, or you can even put them into a little Ziploc bag and crunch them up that way, and then pour the little fine pieces into your containers to store. Really easy and so yummy. The house smells amazing. And this is the finished product. It's actually more fun to put it inside of a Ziploc bag and crumble it all up, and then you'll end up with those fine pieces that you can put into your jars. So here's the finished product all jarred up. So now you can have your basil all year round, nice and yummy. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.